They gave us their mind, their limited way of operating, installing a limited operating system, the habit of acting through effort, sequence, and cause and effect. We then began treating that imposed framework as our own. The state we must embody to use our infinite abilities. This is based on the state of being I was in, countless times outside this realm, to create worlds, teleport, turn in the Hulk, transmute beings or erase them, visit other worlds, spawn a world overrun with zombies, to shred them with a 4-rotor minigun, and so on. I had a lot of fun. The teleportation example in the last video was meant to demonstrate the scattering effect, showing how scattered we are without unity. In actual teleportation, position is re-rendered. It is a shift of the environment rather than locomotion. You stay in the same place while the scenario around you changes. The change does not require a separate intention layered on top of unity. When focus, attention, awareness, and presence are actually one, there is no gap between what is wanted and what is. The preference for a different scenario is already contained inside that undivided state, not as a thought or a command, but as the natural orientation of the will itself. From the outside it can look like intention. From inside the unity, it is simply the next expression of what you are. No extra mental act of, I now intend to change the scenario, is needed. That mental act is what reintroduces the split. When unity is present, the will is free to express, the scenario updates, as a direct consequence of that freedom. You do not do the change. The change is what becomes possible, once the division that prevented it, is gone. Outside this construct, I teleported countless times. I never thought to or intended to teleport, I just did. No preparatory thought, no I will now teleport, no technique. The orientation was present, and the scenario updated. That is the native mode. This dense construct inserts an extra step, intention, effort, doing, that was never required. When those extra steps are no longer obeyed, what remains is the same direct expression of will we use outside this realm. The need to do, the sense that something must be performed, attempted, or worked at, belongs to the avatar and the monkey. Native expression has no such gap. There is no, I need to do this. There is only the expression itself. That is the whole difference. When the division ends, expression simply happens. Resting silently on the presence of our own being, with zero fucks given, things will just happen, according to our will. Never take your attention off yourself ever, no matter what.